Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making a super special nice cream. This is going to be a Sapodilla nice cream. Sapodilla is called a couple of other things, chiku, sapote, and you can also use like a mame sapote in this recipe if you don't have access to a Sapodilla. But I really love this recipe. I keep it super simple because I just love the caramel rich flavor that the Sapodilla has. You can add in a few other things if you'd like, but today we're going to keep it really simple and basic, but most importantly, delicious. So all we're going to need is around 2 cups of a frozen Sapodilla, and then we're also going to need 1/4 of a cup of a plant-based milk. And I'm using my walnut milk, which you can find the recipe for right above. I'm also going to be blending it in my Ninja Auto IQ blender. So to get started, we're just going to move on in and we'll get going. All right, all we're gonna need to do is add in our 2 ingredients for this really simple nice cream. I'm gonna add in my 1/4 of a cup of walnut milk, and then I'm gonna add in my 2 cups of frozen Sapodilla. And all we're going to do is blend it. I'm guessing it'll take around 45 seconds to a minute, but we will see. All right, that is all blended up, and you can see a perfect nice cream consistency. I'm going to get things cleaned up in the kitchen, get a little bowl of this ready, and I'll see you in a second. All right, things are tidied up in the kitchen, and I am ready to give this Sapodilla nice cream a try. So fantastic. It is like, when I serve this to people, it's like, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? And it's always caramel. I mean, it's just a deep, rich, sweet, just a caramel flavor. It is so good. I wish in my climate I could grow Sapodilla trees, because then I'd eat this nice cream all year round, but I can't, so I have to pick it up at the store, but I'm so glad it's available to me, so. And it's fantastic. If you guys have the opportunity to give it a try, I highly recommend it. And if you do, put down in the comments how you liked it. And if you guys like this video, hit the like button. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, hoping that you will subscribe to my channel for more awesome plant-based videos just like this one. I will hopefully see you guys soon.